Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. As you can see, we got a challenge for us today. It's residential cleaning. Person's moving out here. As you can see, very high traffic. So we're going to get a lot of this stuff up. You can see the traffic pattern here. All right. So much for checking our solution here that we're using first. We're going to use some citrus on here. See how it comes out. If it doesn't come out after that, we're probably going to turn to straight peroxide. Probably at full strength here. Try to get everything up. You can see the line of the carpet. So we're going to do the best we can here. Stay tuned. As you can see, we're pre-spraying now. We're going to get this pretty wet, a little wetter than normal. Only reason is you can see it's already starting to brighten up. But once we hit it a few times, we're probably going to have to turn the pad halfway through. Just all the dirt here getting all up, and we'll get to it. That's number one here, starting the third area. Just cut through in the middle. So you see how it comes out. Yeah, that's looking pretty good to me. I'm not mad at that right there. It's cutting through. So the main thing here we're looking at is you're not going to be able to bring the carpet fully all the way back. There's just no way, especially when it gets going like this. It's kind of like, your shoe tread on your shoes. All right, you're going to have to retread it. Retreading, taking it off, putting it back on, or regular car tires. Once that fabric or the soil is down in here, man, that soil is going to go ahead and really work up start sanding down the fibers of the carpet. Okay, so that's what happens. You get discoloration, stuff like that. But with our solution here that we're using, it has a little bit of peroxide in here and oxygen. So we're using like an OxyClean here almost. Not your traditional OxyClean, don't get it confused. Commercial grade is way different than your residential or the regular customer can buy. Our stuff can actually pretty much almost burn your hands, all right? But I mean, I'm not mad at the way this is coming out. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna return back to here when we're all finished. And we're really trying to get out of here because we're running late. You can see the sun's going down, all right? And, it's already late here for us. This is about our third job of the day. All right, stay tuned. See, it looks a lot better in person than in the camera. Reason being is cameras are really good here. This is polyester carpet, so this is the way the camera and everything is. There's stuff you can see a lot better on the camera than in person to the naked eye. So you're in 4K, but really your phone, your body can't really compute 4K. But that's another story. Just look, this is the hardest area right here. And I mean, it's just coming up like butter. I'm going to move the cord out of here. But I mean, I'm not mad at this at all. Like I said, we didn't even use our strongest solution, which I wouldn't, because it would really burn the carpet. And when I mean burn, it's just going to really destroy the fibers here. But that's just an extreme caution. We use that, this particular one. You can put anything on polyester, but this one's fine, what we're using. And what we're using is safe for kids and pets too, so I want to keep that in mind. And you can just see how it's just really cutting through the material. Now, I did ask the customer how long they lived here before I put my solution down. That just tells me how long the dirt has been down on the carpets. So that tells me what I should use. This person's been here particularly for 2 years, so I know it hasn't been on there for a while. I believe this person's a cook. I think they're a cook there. If they're like a mechanic or something, which explains all this. Your carpet is your number one filter inside your home. What that means is whenever you're coming in, you see all these pieces. We'll vacuum them up later because it's just so bad. I don't want to get all some of that. Just right here, just right here next to the door and the edge of that closet. And that's it. Just give me a second so I can finish this video. Let's just say that you're a cook, your profession. I mean, that all comes into play when you're going and you're cleaning someone's home. That's what explains a lot of this here. Like I said, the fabric, this is your first filter in your home, okay? Your carpet, okay? What that means is everything you're tracking in all day at work, all day at school, wherever you're at, you're bringing that right inside your home, okay? You got your first filter is your carpet. Then your second filter is going to be your HVAC system, okay? So this explains a lot of this coloring. Look at that. I mean, look at that hallway. Look at the difference with that. Oh, my goodness. It's just completely night and day. Look at that. It looks good. All right, so I'm going to continue spraying here for the sake of the video so we can get out of here. Stay tuned. Brandon here. We're in the living room, as you can see. You got a white line. We're skipping here, going down the outer edge first. But I mean, this is the worst area. One of the worst areas. There's a hallway. You can see it's just crumping right up. He's just hitting it, going back again. He's going to go back again there. And that thing is looking good. All right. Taking the sun, moving the whole pad. We didn't even have to flip the pad at all, which is good. But like I said, we're just spraying out our solution. We're not even allowing it to dwell. That's how good our stuff is. So it's coming up really well. I mean, you can see the difference. It's blending right in with the regular carpet. This is really good. Stay tuned here, and we'll see you in the very end. Of course, if you like what you see, give us a like on Facebook, comment. We do use special solutions here, and we can definitely help you out and get you clean here. We're in we service Harrisburg, Lancaster, York, Carlisle area, all areas across. And if we can't, we'll try to find somebody qualified that can do it for you. Quality is our main thing. That's what makes us different from a lot of cleaners. A lot of our products we use work on the first time around. Okay, that's what makes it a lot different and gives you the results that you can see. All right, stay tuned. All right, this is Brandon with Be Clean. We're doing our final step here, doing the vacuuming. And I mean, this was one of the rooms you can see. Like I said, you're not going to get everything. It's been so long, but I mean, you can see it just turned out really great. Got a lot of that stuff up. And then you can finally walk with no shoes on here. Yeah, so all that stuff, all that. Remember that big dark line across here? I mean, you can just see the difference here. And see it blended in with the other carpet. There was a rug over here. I mean, it just looks great. It speaks for itself. These carpets will dry in 1 hour. This is our end cap process. End capping, like I said, there's a new way. Not a new way, but it's a most efficient way to go ahead and get a lot of these carpets done. A lot of steam cleaners came out here in the past a while ago. First steam cleaner here was made in 1969 here, Hydra Master, and that just tells you right then and there. So back in the 1960s, we're way past that now, and I mean, we just came a long way. All right, these carpets look amazing, look great, look clean, fresh, sanitized. All right, and deodorized as well. They look ready to go. All right, so stay tuned to our next show. I'd like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace. All right, we're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us, we don't know you, but we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings. Once we go ahead and clean, some people don't clean because maybe they have mental health issues or they're not getting stuff done. We want to make sure we give you that fresh start. But one thing I do want to let you know here is that while we're also cleaning, I didn't show this part, okay? We come into your home. We let you know when we're on our way, okay? This notification has been sent. We let you know when it's finished or when we started and when it's all done. We can send you that email or this invoice.